This structure has stood tall for 1,300 years and survived over 1,000 earthquakes. The Horyu-ji Temple in Japan is one of the oldest wooden buildings in the world. It was built in the 7th century, and it's never collapsed. The 1707 Hoei earthquake, the 1923 Great Kanto earthquake. Japan shook again and again, but this temple stayed standing. So what's the secret? A massive central pillar that flexes during earthquakes to keep the whole structure balanced. How was this kind of engineering even possible 1,300 years ago?